Now let us solve this important equation. So here we have to solve for x, and the equation is given as square root of 1 plus x square plus square root of 1 minus x square divided by square root of 1 plus x square minus square root of 1 minus x square is equal to 5, right? So now we'll solve this equation with the help of an important concept that is known as componendo and dividendo, right? So let us first quickly see the concept of componendo and dividendo. Now suppose we have two ratios A over B and P over Q, and these two ratios are equal to each other. So when we have A over B is equal to P over Q, then the concept of componendo and dividendo, it says that we should have A plus B over A minus B is equal to P plus Q divided by P minus Q, right? So here we are not going into the detail of this result, but we'll use it directly, right? So here we are given this equation. So the numerator, it constitutes that is A, right? And the denominator is B, and here we have 5, and 5 can be written as 5 over 1, right? So we can take P by Q as 5 over 1. So let us apply this rule to this equation, right? So we have A over B is equal to P over Q. So we have A plus B. So A is square root of 1 plus x square plus square root of 1 minus x square, and B is square root of 1 plus x square minus square root of 1 minus x square, right? So now we have A plus B. So A plus B is square root of 1 plus x square plus square root of 1 minus x square. This is A. Then we have plus B. B is the denominator. We have square root of 1 plus x square minus square root of 1 minus x square. And in the denominator, we have square root of 1 plus x square plus square root of 1 minus x square. Then here we have the negative sign, and then we have this term square root of 1 plus x square minus square root of 1 minus x square. And in the right hand side we have 5 over 1. So we can write P plus Q, that is the sum of P and Q. Here we have 5 and 1, so we have 5 plus 1. Here we have 5 minus 1, right? So now see, in the numerator, these two terms get cancelled because this is negative sign, this is positive, and these two get added. So we have 2 times square root of 1 plus x square, and in the denominator, see here, when we multiply these two terms by this negative sign, here we have the positive sign. So we have minus plus minus. So this term and this term get cancelled, and minus becomes here positive. So we have a square root of 1 minus x square plus square root of 1 minus x square. So this is 2 times square root of 1 minus x square, and here we have 5 plus 1 6, here we have 5 minus 1 4, right? So this 2 and this 2 get cancelled, and here we have 2 3s are 6, this is 2 times 2 4. So now we have square root of 1 plus x square divided by square root of 1 minus x square is equal to 3 over 2. So now let us make the square of both sides so that we can get rid of this square root sign. So we have 1 plus x square, here we have 1 minus x square, and here we have 3 by 2 whole square, right? So now we have 1 plus x square over 1 minus x square. This is 9 over 4, right? Now multiplying 1 plus x square by 4 and 1 minus x square by 9 like this, that is cross multiplication. So we have 4 times 1 plus x square, and here we have 9 times 1 minus x square. So this is 4 plus 4x square, and here we have 9 minus 9x square. So let us rearrange the terms here. So we have 4x square taking minus 9x square to the left hand side. So this is plus 9x square. And here we have 9 minus 4. So taking 4 to the right hand side. So now we have 9 plus 4 is 13x square. And here we have 9 minus 4, that is 5. Right? So now we have a quadratic equation here, that is 13x square minus 5 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation, right? So now writing x square as 5 over 13 and taking the square root of both sides, we have plus minus square root of 5 over 13, right? So the value of x is given by plus minus square root of 5 over 13, right? So where's the solution of this equation, which reduces to the quadratic equation with the help of this concept, that is componendo and dividendo. The value of x is given by plus minus square root of 5 over 13.